So I just wanted to jump on here and do a good old-fashioned YouTube update video where it's just me talking. I actually have no idea what I'm going to talk about, but let's talk about this year, how it's kind of gone, and what I'm thinking about right now. Because honestly, I have a lot of feelings about this year. It's been kind of rough on the content creation wedding side, which y'all might know. I'll link some of my videos up above about that. But anyways, to start out, what am I going to be doing for next year? So as y'all may or may not know, my business is kind of broken into three parts at this point. I'm doing wedding photography, I'm doing content creation, and also education. Education is going to be like courses and online stuff. So the content creation kind of halfway fits with that as well. But it also includes speaking in person at workshops. So far in 2025, I'm already set up to do 3 different workshops. And if you all want to join any of them and meet me in person or see me speak, I highly recommend coming out to some of them. I think so far, I have one going on in Florida coming up in January. It's a very small one, so I think that one's already full. The next one is Lens and Light, I believe it's called. It's in Connecticut. That's going to be in February, maybe. I don't even know when these workshops are. I just know I'm going to show up. But this one's in Connecticut. It's going to be really cool, and they're still taking signups for that. I have a link in the description below. If you want a discount to sign up, come hang out with me, see me speak. I'm also going to be at WPPI this year, and I think I'm actually on the main stage for once, which is going to be kind of crazy. I'm excited about it. It gives me some claps, yay! But again, there's discount codes if you want to sign up for WPPI. If you've never been to any of the bigger conferences like Imaging USA or WPPI, I highly recommend coming out to them. I have a video that I'll link up above about some of them as well, but they're just a great time. And as a photographer, we work in an industry where we're like by ourselves all the time. You know, I run my business pretty much by myself. I just hired a VA, but I don't have any peers. There's no one I can talk to who understands what I go through. I mean, for the most part, no one even thinks that I have a job. You know, like I'm free all day. I can go out whenever I want to. Sometimes I'm busy on the weekends, but it's like, what do you even do, you know? I mean, even my grandmother pretty much went to her deathbed thinking that I didn't really have a job, which made no sense because I'm over here with like 5 kids and providing for them, but you know, somehow bills get paid, right? So yeah, I'm going to be speaking at workshops, and I'm also planning on speaking at some more later on in the year. Pretty much waiting to see if anyone hits me up and or signing up for anyone. So if y'all know some conferences who are still looking for speakers, shoot them my way because I love traveling, meeting you all in person, and also just teaching because I would not be here if it wasn't for someone teaching me. So I love paying it forward. Now, as far as the photography side of the business, it's actually been kind of disheartening for me. I have no weddings for 2025 yet. I am running some ads and I'm starting to try and do more. I did recently update my website. That's linked in the description below as well if you want to go check out the new updates. Just some refreshing, some new verbiage and things. And that's going to help support the ads as well. But yeah, I have no weddings and I've never been in this situation before. And sitting down and stopping and thinking about it, I think one of the biggest things for me, remember, I moved markets when I also went full time. So in 2018, late 2018, I quit my job at Squarespace and then I moved to North Carolina. So I had started my business in New York. So only barely a year into me being a full-time wedding photographer, 2020 came along and changed everything. So I think I'm dealing with a lot of the remnants of everything that changed, being fresh as a full-time wedding photographer. Because remember, before I had the income of Squarespace in the background holding it down, whereas this time I'm doing it on my own. So it's been very interesting, and I think I really need to hone in on a lot of things and make them work. They weren't working as well as they should have been, but it was okay pre 2020. And now I'm waking up to the fact that, like, while I did book 40 weddings in Raleigh, North Carolina, no one still really knows me here. So I'm like a new vendor. And if y'all are familiar with anything, Raleigh, North Carolina is like in the top, I think, 3 or 5 states that everybody is moving to. Like everyone in the whole world is moving to Raleigh, North Carolina, or Durham, somewhere right there in North Carolina, our little RTP pocket. And I kind of hate it because, like, out of all the people I meet, I'm one of like none who were actually born and raised here. Like, I'm from Raleigh. Nobody's from Raleigh. So it's kind of rough because not only am I still not known in my area, but there's all these new photographers moving here too. So competition's high, but Raleigh has bank money. We have all these people moving to the area. I feel like the only homes I see being sold are like 700,000 and up, which is stupid for Raleigh, North Carolina, but If y'all know anything about North Carolina, Raleigh, let me know in the comments below, because I cannot stand the fact that they're selling these 1.5, $2 million homes like we're supposed to just be doing this like it's New York or something. It's like, guys, who's paying that? Why are you doing? I cannot. So yeah, as of right now, I'm really honing in on like booking more couples and just trying to do that. And I don't need a lot. Remind you, I'm doing all the YouTube stuff as well. So I really want like 10 to 15 weddings, if even. So that's a big focus. And if you're kind of discouraged in things, you're not feeling good, let me know in the comments below. Again, watch my 1-star story. We all go through it. And that's one thing I want everyone to know is like, while you see me here on YouTube and you might be like, wow, he's so amazing, I struggle too. We're all in it together, and I'm just not booking for whatever reason. Maybe I raised my prices too quick and too early. I don't know what happened. No one knows me in the area, but for some reason, no one can find me. Oh, I updated my website, and I think it killed my SEO. So there's just like I need to lay the bricks down a little bit tighter, make it work out. So I'm not fretting it too much, but I also want you all to know that if you're struggling or you feel like, you know what, I'm not gonna do wedding photography anymore, just know we're all out here struggling. And I feel like the people who said they're doing well, there's two cases. Their business was either doing extremely well before 2020, or they're struggling and they just don't want you to know. So let me know what you think. So when it comes to the content side of things, I really want to start doing more. I had a hard year this year and put out like no videos. I'm sure y'all noticed there was like months where I put like 1 or 2 videos out, and I don't know, I just didn't feel like making videos anymore. They felt such a rush, and with, wedding photography not going well, and it just, I don't know. I was in my feels and it wasn't working out. So 2025, I really want to do more content. I want to start posting 4 to 8 videos a month type of thing. I might start doing shorts. Let me know what you think about shorts in the comments below, because I have feelings about shorts and I don't like them, but they seem to do well. And every time I try to not do them, someone's like, I like your shorts. So I don't know. I really want to hear from the people who watch me often how you feel about me doing shorts, because I don't like doing them. But if everyone kind of finds value in them and likes them, then I'll keep doing them. I have some full wedding day videos actually ready to go. Again, I had a huge hard drive failure in the past, so I was able to recover some of that information and work some stuff out. So there should be a lot more BTS videos coming up, which will be awesome. And again, if I get more weddings, there'll be BTSs of those weddings as well. But I have one that I'm just about done with the GFX 102. I shoot the whole wedding, only GFX. It's a cool wedding. Sean, he be watching the channel, so if you're checking this out, happy anniversary. They got married in November, so they're at their first anniversary this year, and I'll be releasing it next year at some point. So I'm excited about getting that out. GFX is awesome, and honestly, like, I'm trying to stop myself to be a full GFX photographer. Just because the camera's, it's big. It's a lot for weddings. But every time I use it at a wedding, so good. Speaking of which, the Fujifilm X-T5, the upgrade for the autofocus just came out. So I'm hoping that does make a difference, because I personally will say I did see some of the autofocus issues, because recently I've been trying to use continuous autofocus and I've been getting a lot of back focusing, and it's been surprising because I've never seen Fujifilm like that. So I just upgraded. Maybe I'll make a video testing that out. And that's really the big thing when it comes to YouTube for me. I know I'm kind of ranting, but that's the point of this video. Like, I get in my own head and I'm like, oh, I shouldn't make that video because everyone already knows, or oh, this is a stupid subject, or it's whatever. Like, I want to get back to the basics. I want to just make a video like how to take good photos, like just very simple stuff, so you all can learn more and just see what I'm up to. I also want to really start doing my live streams every month like I was in 2022. The live streams actually do really well on the channel, and I like spending time with you all and editing your photos and stuff. So again, if you really want to see those live streams, let me know in the comments below as well. I want to make this channel more for you all and stop being in my feels about thinking that certain video subjects are stupid or no one's going to want to see it. Just make videos again, you know what I mean? And I know I have lots of sponsors. Again, I have 5 kids. We're on a single income, so like I got to pay the bills. So I'm going to have sponsors, but just keep in mind I'm super strict on my sponsors, and if a product's not good, if it's not something I would actually use, if I'm testing it and it's trash, trust me, I'm not going to sponsor it. And if you've ever seen my emails, like, I have so many emails every week of just people asking me, oh, you want to check this out? You want to check that out? And just constantly sending like, no, 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 no. One person was pestering me for 50 years. Like, why is it not a good fit? because they're selling something. It's like photography based, but it's like a no-name brand, and I don't even know your product. Like, I know I'm not going to do it. You know what I mean? So just, for everyone who might hate my sponsored videos, just know that, I used to work for Squarespace. I was there for 5 years. I'm biased. So yes, I'm going to sponsor Squarespace because they're awesome. Same with like other products like eVoto. I use that in my workflow now. It works so well. Like, I don't retouch my photos. The AI retouches it now. Now I can retouch my photos. So down for it. So yeah, gotta pay the bills, but I want to do more videos. So it's not just all sponsored videos. It's like 2 sponsored videos and 5 other videos. So hopefully I can actually do it and keep up with it. It's a lot of work. I'm hoping to get an editor this year, so that will help me through some of the work as well. Because I'm trying to pump out videos like Taylor Jackson. That bro, he puts out so many videos. I don't understand. He does a great job. And every time I hang out with him, I'm like, this is crazy. He just films something and makes like 3 videos out of it. It's so cool. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. I'm actually super grateful for this year and how everything's gone. And I'm extremely happy and grateful for my family. I think that's the one thing that keeps me sane. My kids are awesome. They're doing well. My wife is just absolutely amazing. She takes care of the household. She takes care of me. She holds down everything. Like, I have a music background. My son has perfect pitch, so it's like fun to see. I used to draw. My daughter's like an amazing artist, and I can only see her becoming like an actual like animator or something. Like my kids are doing awesome stuff. So that's the only thing that keeps me sane. Because honestly, the way content creation and wedding photography went this year, yeah. If it wasn't for my family, like I would have a hard time. So I hope you all are doing well as well. Happy New Year coming up. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas to everybody. I hope you all are having a great time. Thanks for letting me rant. And if you like seeing more videos like this where I'm just kind of like talking what's on my head at the moment, let me know too. I want to do just more and stop caring so much about having everything be like perfect for like educating on YouTube and whatever of things. Maybe I'll start showing my family a little bit more and like just more of my normal life on top of the photography stuff as well. But other than that, I hope you all had a great 2024. Let's go into 2025 and make it amazing. Remember, if anything's hard, just focus in on what you're trying to do. There's no reason to feel like a failure. Fail forward. Learn from things that didn't work out. That doesn't mean you failed, they just didn't work, and move forward from there. I do it all the time. My year was not great if you looked at my numbers. However, I don't feel like a failure at all. So hopefully that helps someone out there. I'm struggling as well. And thank you all so much for watching the videos all the time. And I will catch you all next time.